Chainsaw ice skates, the craziest ride on ice. Tired of regular ice skates, a group of daring inventors decided to create something truly unique. They attached chainsaws to a pair of skates and controlled them with a remote. The goal? To glide across the ice using the chainsaw's spinning chains. But turning this wild idea into reality wasn't easy. Right away, they ran into problems. The sharp chains kept getting stuck in the ice. To fix it, they dulled the blades. Then, the skaters' weight caused too much pressure, making the chains stall. Their next move was even riskier. They mounted the skate blades directly to the moving chains. Somehow, it all came together. During the final test, the world's most dangerous ice skates actually worked, and, most importantly, the skaters' legs stayed intact. While it's a fascinating experiment in creativity and mechanics, this is definitely not something to try at home. Still, it shows how far people will go to bring wild engineering ideas to life. Bomb Dicycle. A bold new take on personal transport. The Bomb Dicycle puts a futuristic spin on a classic concept. Unlike a traditional unicycle where the rider balances above a single wheel, the Dicycle features two massive 1.8-meter wheels positioned side by side, with the rider seated comfortably between them. This design not only improves stability but also makes handling incredibly smooth. The Dicycle uses skid steering via a differential axle, allowing the rider to turn on the spot with ease. Built from sheet metal using a self-fixturing tab and slot construction method, the Dicycle is a true DIY-friendly project. According to the inventor, anyone with access to basic tools and a welding machine can build their own using the shared blueprints. Features like an adjustable seat, extendable handlebars, and even a cup holder add comfort and practicality to this head-turning ride. Best of all, the entire build costs just $200 to $300, making it an affordable project for enthusiasts looking for something truly different. Homemade coil gun. Powerful, fascinating, and potentially dangerous. Building a coil gun at home may sound like a fun and educational project, but even experienced creators caution against it due to the serious risks involved. A coil gun works by charging capacitors, which then release energy to create a powerful electromagnetic field. This field propels a metal projectile at incredibly high speeds. The homemade version featured in a popular video isn't highly accurate, but it's strong enough to shatter a glass bottle, demonstrating just how dangerous it can be. Surprisingly, the materials required cost as little as $20, making it an accessible project for many hobbyists. However, the high voltage and potential for injury make it unsuitable for beginners or anyone without proper safety knowledge. Despite these warnings, coil guns remain a popular topic on YouTube, attracting thousands of tech-savvy viewers. They offer a striking demonstration of electromagnetic force in action, but they should only be handled with extreme caution and a deep understanding of the science behind them. Air hockey table. Breathe new life into an old table. Who says a broken table has to end up in the trash? With some creativity and basic tools, you can transform it into a working air hockey table. This DIY project starts by carefully dismantling the old table. Next, aluminum beams are cut and secured to form a sturdy frame. 4 small fans are then installed to generate the air cushion that makes air hockey possible. The playing surface is custom made using a 3D printer, ensuring a smooth finish and perfectly spaced holes for airflow. Once assembled, the result is a fully functional air hockey table that's both fun and rewarding to build. It's a great weekend project for anyone who enjoys hands-on work and wants to bring new life to unused furniture. Ideal for family game nights or just showing off your DIY skills, this homemade air hockey table proves that with the right approach, almost anything can be repurposed into something amazing. Dobsonian Telescope. A stargazer's dream. After 60 hours of dedicated craftsmanship, a stunning telescope on a Dobsonian mount emerges, condensed into a 40-minute video. The Dobsonian mount is a favorite among amateur astronomers for 2 key reasons: affordability and ease of use. It can be built from plywood, making it accessible to hobbyists, and it requires no tools for assembly or disassembly at observation sites, adding to its convenience. This particular model was crafted for a telescope with a 254mm lens diameter, ideal for deep sky viewing. The builder's woodworking expertise shines through, as he's not only skilled in crafting telescopes but also has a background in making musical instruments. The end result is not just a powerful optical tool, but also a functional piece of art. For anyone serious about stargazing and willing to invest the time, building a Dobsonian telescope is a highly rewarding project that combines science, craftsmanship, and passion for the night sky. DIY Lawn Airator. Budget-friendly and surprisingly effective. Lawn aeration is essential for promoting healthy grass by improving the flow of air, water, and nutrients to the roots. That's why this homemade aerator project is gaining popularity among DIY enthusiasts. At first glance, it might look like a medieval contraption, but it quickly proves its worth once put to use. Built with affordability and simplicity in mind, the aerator can be made using common materials found in most garages or workshops. The creator emphasizes its low cost and easy construction, making it an accessible tool for homeowners looking to improve their lawn care routine. However, one noticeable drawback is its weight. It appears quite heavy, which may make it less practical for frequent use. Since lawn aeration is typically recommended 3 to 4 times during the warm season, maneuverability is an important factor to consider. Still, for those who don't mind a bit of manual effort, this DIY aerator offers a practical and cost-effective way to keep your lawn lush and thriving. Elon Road. Smart charging roads for a greener future. Sweden is pioneering a new approach to electric vehicle infrastructure with Elon Road, a smart road system designed to charge electric vehicles while they drive. Backed by nearly $8 million in funding for a test section, the project aligns with the European Union's goal to phase out internal combustion engine cars by 2035. As countries worldwide push for cleaner transportation, innovations like Elon Road could play a crucial role in accelerating EV adoption. The system is remarkably versatile, supporting a wide range of vehicles, from passenger cars to buses and trucks. It operates through special conductive rails embedded in the road, which transfer power to vehicles equipped with compatible receivers. The setup is also internet-connected, allowing for automated payment processing, road condition monitoring, traffic accident reporting, and more. By combining convenience, efficiency, and data integration, Elon Road represents a significant step toward the future of sustainable, smart transportation infrastructure. Haptex Gloves G1. Touching the virtual world. The Haptex Gloves G1 are being hailed as the most advanced haptic gloves on the market, now available in a lightweight, wireless design. Developed by a US-based company, these gloves are primarily targeted at enterprise users, as the hefty $5,500 price tag and $500 monthly subscription may deter the average consumer. Despite the cost, the technology is remarkable. The gloves use compressed air and hundreds of micro actuators to simulate realistic touch sensations. Whether you're gripping virtual tools, fruit, or machine parts, the tactile feedback makes digital objects feel almost real. The gloves are also compatible with major development platforms like Unity and Unreal Engine, enabling powerful applications in design, training, and virtual collaboration. While some skeptics compare the product to the infamous Power Glove for the NES, suggesting it may face limited adoption, the Haptex Gloves G1 show promising potential for industries that require immersive, precise virtual interaction. Starliner SL25. Rugged luxury meets off-road power. The Starliner SL25 is a premium motorhome built on the Iveco Daily chassis, offering a spacious interior, luxurious finishes, and impressive off-road capabilities. Designed for serious adventurers, the SL25 boasts a gross vehicle weight rating of 7.5 tons and a cargo carrying capacity of 2 tons. Under the hood, it features a powerful 3.0-liter turbo diesel engine producing 180 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission and a full-time 4-wheel drive system with locking differentials. Inside, the SL25 comfortably sleeps up to 6 people. It includes a queen-sized bed in the rear bedroom, a convertible dinette in the living area, and 2 pop-top bunks for additional sleeping space. The fully equipped kitchen features a refrigerator, stove, oven, and microwave, making meal preparation easy and convenient. The well-appointed bathroom comes with a shower, toilet, and sink. Combining rugged off-road performance with high-end comfort, the Starliner SL25 is the perfect choice for travelers who demand adventure without sacrificing luxury. Wizuma V8M, the ultimate fusion of power and design. Crafted by French manufacturer Lazareth, the Wizuma V8M is anything but your typical trike. With two closely spaced wheels at both the front and rear, this unique four-wheeled design delivers a bold, futuristic look and an unforgettable ride. At its core is a monstrous 4.7-liter Italian V8 engine that generates an impressive 460 horsepower and 520 Nm of torque, unheard of in the world of trikes. This exceptional power, paired with a 6-speed automatic gearbox, provides breathtaking acceleration and a riding experience that rivals high-performance supercars. The Wizuma V8M features a sleek W-shaped body frame and is constructed using premium materials such as carbon fiber and leather, ensuring it not only performs at a high level but also looks and feels luxurious. Designed for enthusiasts who crave both speed and style, the Wizuma V8M redefines what a performance trike can be. With a price tag of $238,000, Intech OVR, the ultimate trailer for remote adventures. Intech RV is best known for its all-aluminum travel trailers, and now they've introduced the OVR series, designed for those seeking a highly maneuverable trailer to explore even the most remote locations. The OVR series comes in 3 models, each offering different lengths and features to cater to various needs. All models are built around a fully welded cage and frame construction, ensuring durability and reliability on rugged terrain. The smallest of the 3 is the OVR Expedition model, starting at $58,838. Despite its compact size, it comfortably accommodates up to 5 people. The Expedition boasts a spacious living area, a fully equipped kitchen, and a cozy bedroom. Additional features include an optional power folding awning with wind detection, a slide-out kitchen for outdoor cooking, and a solar system that provides 400 watts of power, making it ideal for off-grid adventures. Whether you're exploring the wilderness or enjoying a weekend getaway, the Intech OVR is the perfect travel companion for those seeking adventure without compromise.